Alright. Let's go, boys. Stuke friends. Stuke 1, Stuke 2, Panzer, me Panzer, KV1. KV1 is good. I am very slow. Hello, hello. Maybe some speedy boys. Dukes, Panzers, T-34, KV1. This is a strong lineup if I've ever seen one. Oh. What do you see, boy? What do you see? I don't see nothing yet. No speedy boys that I can see. Sense them. Sense them in the air, T-34. Are you the T-34 from the movie? Gonna take on a whole German quad. Oh, hello, Martyr. How you doing, bro? Oh, okay. We got a speedy boy of our own. I knew it.
Attention to the map.
Yeah. See if we can get a little Artie McFarty on there. Just a little Artie. What was that? I heard a tink. Who tinked? I heard a shell just fly by. Okay, feeling good with the team here. Tree just went down. Could be from Artie McFarty. I'm running into stuff. Heard another tink. Who's tinking? Yeah? Yeah? I got no visual. What are you machine gunning? I'm just in an awkward position. I can't see nothing. Too many bushes.
We are losing.
Looks like they got him. Is there another one? Oh my god, there is. How? Seriously? Cannot see. Still there? Still is. I'm ricocheting real hard like. Yeah. Okay, there's some dead Shermans. Oh, hello. Gotcha. I saw you there. How are you? Did you move? I destroyed your everything. How? What? I know you've got friends. Where are they? What do you see, brother? How did that man drive away in smoke? Oh my goodness, lag. I literally destroyed his everything. Okay. The one I hit is here somewhere. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't make that hill anyway. He is right there. And he's a big boy. I cannot make this hill. There's no way I can make this hill. Yeah, it's literally not possible. Oh my god, I'm so useless. I'm so useless. Go! Can I get up here? Okay, they got him. Oh, hello. Oh, just a track hit. Just a track hit. He's right there, right behind that building. He thinks he's cheeky. Track again. Shoot right. Nope.
Attack the A point.
Another track hit. I keep thinking I'm more on the inside than I actually am. Alright, we gotta reposition. Hello? Hello? I hear stuff. Okay, those are those guys I hear back there. Definitely someone like right here.
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna be bold. Oh man, there's two of them. I don't know what you are.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
Got him, coach. This guy knows I'm right here, though. Oh, I knew I heard something. No! Oh my god, I zoned out for a second. I knew I heard something to my left, but I thought I was that guy. Then I thought I was hearing things. Oh my god, I knew it. I should have been quicker. All right, we're coming back. I'm in my Stug. Screw you, plane. I can't do anything about you. Get on the point, boys. Someone's on it. We gotta take it. Better not. There you are. Better leave me alone. I'm just a Stug. Yeah, shoot the planes. I cannot shoot the planes. I do not even have a machine gun. I only have big gun. Hello? Get him, boys. Get him. I should probably be paying attention. Gosh, there are so many planes. There are so many planes. Yes, Whirlwind. Oh my god, you're a Whirlwind. Get him. Get him, Whirly. Oh, the bombs just went out. Careful, boys. Getting Alpha.
Well done.
Well done indeed. Well done indeed. Nope. Okay, he's shooting him. No, no. Friend, get him. Cannot help you. This is giving me something to watch while I drive. Yeah, epic battle. Epic battle. Get him. My goodness, look at that. Slice the air. Whoa, what you got? What you got? What you got?
On me.
The thing that killed me should be, if he's still alive, he should be in here somewhere. Amongst the buildings. Keeping an eye out. Sticking with the T-34. Or multiple T-34s. Here, that's a plane I'm hearing. Okay, not a big deal. Not a big deal. We are approaching their spawn at this point. Oh, I see shots. Yeah. Oh my god, I looked at that all wrong. I thought his turret was on the other side. You didn't see nothing. You shot right my barrel. Of all things, he hit my barrel. You piece of crap. Oh my god. Luckily, I always carry a spare barrel. T-34, be careful. Be careful. Quickly. I see nothing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Lucky shot. That was an educated guess, but that was basically a guess. Oh man. An artillery was going off around me. So epic. I'm clearly the best War Thunder player. That's dead. Looking at the one in the back. I shouldn't go out there right now.
Attack enemy base.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we're good. We're good. Whoa, hello. Okay, so can I see you out of like the corner of my super third person vision? Oh my gosh. Oh no, you weren't fast enough. I heard you. I'm sorry, Sherman. Oh, I'm so sorry. Thought I heard another one. Sweating real hard right now. Got to nerd it up. We got to win it for the team. Okay, phew.
Defend the A point.
I heard this guy. Whew. I don't want to make too much noise right now. But I guess we're okay if he's rolling by. I'd be careful there, buddy. Oh no. I feel like my SU-122 friend here is not going to have a great time. Maybe he'll be alright. That an artillery? I mean, we are like hard camping their spawn. Even I feel dirty about doing this. You know, I just don't feel safe. Hey there, buddy.
Our victory is near.
I ain't do nothing. I'm not spawn camping. Beep, beep, beep. Don't drop bombs on me, please. Please, sir. No bombs.
Attention to the designated grid square.
No bombs, please. Yay! We did it! Alright, well, unfortunately we're on Frozen Pass, you know, c'est la vie, how it goes. I always forget to ban the map. Can I ban maps? Is that just a premium thing? I can't actually remember. I'm not premium right now, so I probably can't. But guys, come on, play along. Go get him, Speedy boy. See if I can maybe get a little cheeky height advantage. Oh, there he is. There's one. Ah, oh, come on. Come on. Just a little further. Got him. You fool. You fell right into my trap.
Bravo.
I think was that the only one? I hear explosion. Okay. What am I hearing? Is that you? Make sure there's no sneaky flankers coming around. Got my listening ears on. Homie's kind of ruining it. Exposing himself unnecessarily. What's going on? Shooting at nothing? What just happened?
Enemy forces have captured a zone. Attack the A point.
From where? Where did you just get shot from? From the outskirt?
Enemy forces have captured a
Smoke
zone.
them out.
Artillerie, Koordinaten bestätigen.
Oh. Critical! Alright, gentlemen, I apologize. What the hell? I just did nothing. Where's your ammo at? Was it like right there? Oh, alright, come here. You know, he's just a little boy. I don't know why I'm toying with him. Whoever's flying above me, you better behave yourself. I hear you. Yeah, the artillery scared him. Such a light vehicle. Poor feller.
Attention to the map. Let's keep the pressure
Okay.
on. Victory is close. The Allied forces have captured a zone.
We'll smoke it on up, you know, chief it on up over here.
Zones are under control.
Okay, and now we're just gonna back run up. Just gonna beep, 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 beep. Might just chill here. I mean, we're kind of winning. so we kind of don't really need to go anywhere. Know what I'm saying? We can just kind of turn off the engine. You know, be real sweaty nerds about it. Just chill. Oh, there's a man right there. Are you guys? There's probably multiple men there, it seems like. Is doing okay? You guys need an adult? Not exactly saying I'm an adult, but I'll come help. I didn't see any death marker. Not get him? I mean, I'm really exposed right now, and I should not be out here. I should definitely just sit back where I was, but I feel like I gotta help the homies. What happened? It's like there was a dude over here. It lit him up. But he got away or something. Oh, goodness.
Let's keep the pressure on.
Alright, well,
It's close.
taking down the infrastructure. It's alright. No one likes frozen pass anyway. Gonna chill right here. Yeah, we'll strike Bravo. We'll strike Bravo. See if we can go help Bravo. Hate to abandon Charlie, but I'm getting bored. Need some action. What's going on, Peasy friend? Need a lot of smoke. Oh my god. Yep. I wanted to get your other friend. Couldn't quite manage it. I don't know where your ammo is. Your ammo is. Your ammo is. I don't know where your ammo is. I should have taken explosive. There we go. Okay, where was your friend?
We have most of the zones.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Come on. Peek your head out. I know I'm not the only one watching, but like, you should totally peek your head out. Oh my god. Hello. Sorry, Sherman.
Getting down.
Getting down indeed. Was that the Sherman? Was that the one? I knew we were going to lose Charlie. Hey! What just shot me? Leave. Something just shot me in the butt. Oh my god, rock! Get out of my way, the rock! Come on, you wanna shoot me in the butt? You wanna shoot me in the butt? Come on, I give you permission.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Okay. Let's get the hell out of here. We're gonna use our butt and engine as armor. Are you the one that shot me? Oh my god. Is it from the side?
We've captured most of
Oh my god, you're kidding. I knew it. That was the direction I was originally looking. Should have just stayed looking. I think that was it. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Alright, well, this game's almost over. We absolutely destroyed them. Hello. Hello. Give them the old smoke-a-roonies. Doing good. Hey, buddy. Yeah, smoke-a-roonies. Yeah. Yeah, do the wave. Alright, alright. Let's take this seriously. Look, they're taking objectives. How can we let them take objectives when we're about to win?
defend the D point.
Defend the D point. There is no D point. Silly players. Where is... I see nothing. I see you. Hello. You were not initially my concern, but you could become my concern. Oh, hello. Okay. Well, I screwed that up. I screwed it up. Don't shoot me, friend. Plane is pretty. What am I? I'm hearing it. Oh, okay. Okay. Yep. I know. I know. Oh my goodness. How did none of that hit him? Oh, I just. Oh. I still like landed on him. Alright, alright. Alright. What's going on down here? Don't shoot me in the plane, whoever's up there. I'm very sensitive to planes. Yeah, we're the best. Okay. This is better than Frozen Pass by a lot. Let's see what we can do. You know what? I actually kind of want to. You go ahead. You go ahead, my friend. Go ahead. I don't want to be rude dude today. You go that way. I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way.
Enemy forces have
Oh.
captured a zone. Allied forces have captured
Actually,
a zone.
oh, hello. Hello, I see you. Are you guys shooting something I'm not seeing?
Allied forces have captured a
Oh,
zone.
no. That's big. Boys, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There is so much on Alpha, too. Okay, we got to repair. Oh, that's a long repair. Oh, no. Oh, no.
The enemy has most of
There are so many T-34s and KV-1. Oh my god. No. Don't do this to me. Wait, can you not see me? Or do you not care about me? Everybody, I'll take it. Okay. I'm in such an awkward spot. Come on, give me the barrel. Oh, no! I was gonna get him. No. Okay, we're gonna help our PZ-3. Angle the armor. Oh, I was just about to fire. No, the gun took too long to line up. Oh, look, KV-1. Yep. No. I didn't angle well enough. Did not angle well enough. Okay, we're bringing bigger cannon. Smaller vehicle, bigger cannon. Pretty sure it's bigger cannon. I actually can't remember, but it's a pretty big cannon. Very good. Very powerful. Come on, come on, come on. Got him. Thank you, boys. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Ah, building ate that. Careful, buddy. You are soft boy. Oh my god. Ah, I whiffed. I tried to save you, friend. I tried to save you. He's dead. They got him. Moving forward. Forward. Back off from that Artie. Gotta let other people go. I'm so fragile. Oh man. I'm hearing friendlies and it's like scaring the shit out of me. Ah! Yes! Oh! Wah! Gosh, scary KVs. No. No. Okay, I think they got him. Oh. Going on over there. And over here. Should probably stay with the big guys. Whoa, Nelly.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Oh, I see you. Oh, you son of a biscuit eater. No! Don't you simply machine gun me to death. Don't you do it. No! No! There's a man right there too! No! Okay, okay, gunners up, gunners up. Reload that gun. Please reload the gun. Reload the gun! Reload the gun! No! Okay, okay. There's a man right. I can't see him. He's right there. There's another man right. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my god! No! There's so much around me. Ah! Ridiculous. I'm coming out of the plane again. We're gonna do something actually impactful this time. Promise. Hello. You? You down there? I see a plane. You crashing? I see. Oh yeah, he just went into the ground. Get him? Oh, M16, okay. Hello? My eyes never work very well when I'm in the plane. It's like I can see planes fine, but I can never spot tanks, even though I have the best vision like possible. So high in the air. All right, we're just gonna go for Charlie. Hey, don't you do that? There he is. That might have been a little late. Oh my goodness. Square on. Oh my goodness. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, no, 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 no. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, okay, we're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. We did our job. I'm leaving. Stay low. Stay low. Stay low. Don't hit any buildings. See if we can head back and land. I mean, we're probably needed on the ground. I should probably just crash and help them on the ground, especially considering we have so many planes in the air. But hey, I did good. Why do we have so many planes? No. We need tanks on the ground. Man, this is kind of cool. We're like sequence landing. Except this guy's trying to blow past. Maybe I'm going too slow? I guess I am. It's like... Oh, he broke something. I heard that. You broke your gear. Young man, you're gonna have to pay for that. Plane is so good. Despite all the literal holes, it flies like a dream. Yep. Go get him, big dog. So many planes. Belly landings. I know a lot of people, they belly land on purpose. I know, because it's faster and all that. But come on, how sweaty can you be? Like, I dropped bombs. We did some work. We took some bullets. Good enough. Even if we lose. Now we're back in it. Fresh payload. See if we can get another. Just flying around, you know. Or take a second to just... Oh, nice. Good view. Oh, look at all of the people's homes. I mean, you know, they could look better. It might be partially my fault, you know, because the, no. But, you know, not my fault. I'm not the one who did all of this.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Give me the old wave. Yeah. Our whole air advantage just like disintegrated. Oh boy. Another one over here, right here. Might have been that one that just exploded right there. I don't know. Either way, I need to like get some speed up. Yup. Yup, yup. I know. I know you're very passionate about your job. I know. Okay? I know. Oh, I missed him. I missed him. Damn it. All right. You know what? No more playing around in the stupid airplane. I'm coming for you. In the last moments of this game. Coming through. Get out of my way. How dare you not die to my bomb? I'll deal with you in a minute, AA. Oh. Well, this is a predicament we are in. There you go.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
And then we'll go ahead and do another quick barrel repair because, you know, this is my life in this game is barrel repairs. Hey, you want to help me out there, buddy? You want to help me out? Yeah, the homie. Bro Thunder. Bro Thunder. Yes. Thank you. A vet image. AA was around here. They might have already gotten him. That might be it right there, though. Hearing stuff. No!
Withdraw.
No! GG.